Now let us take one more example. Here we have to multiply 3 by 5, 7 by 6 and 5 by 14. Okay. And 3 by 5 is proper fraction. 5 by 14 also is proper fraction. And 7 by 6 is an improper fraction. So here beta no need to convert it in any fraction. Okay. So now let us multiply. But here we are having 3 fractions. But here also beta we have to follow the same rule. We have to multiply numerator with numerators and denominator with the denominators. Okay. But before multiplying, let us see that there is any common factor of numerator and denominators. If there is any common factor of numerator and denominator, then we can cancel. Okay. And after that we will multiply. So here we are having 3 and here 6 and here 14 and 5. So 3 and 6 both are having one common factor. Here 3 and 6. We can divide this and this with 3. Okay, because both are having 3 as common factor. So 3 1 jar 3 and 3 2 jar 6. Now let us see next. Here we are having 7. Okay, and here 5 2 14. So 7 and 14 both are having same common factor, है ना? Because we can divide this and this with the 7. So cut this and this. 7 1 jar 7 and 7 2 jar 14. Now let us see next this also. Here we are having 5. Here as the denominators we are having 5 2 2. So this and this both are having same common factor. So we can cut this and this. 5 1 jar 5. 5 1 jar 5. Okay. So now beta. Here 1 1 1. We are having these numerators. So 1 multiply 1 multiply 1 will give us only 1. And here 1 2 2 as denominators. So here we have to multiply these. So 1 2 jar 2, 2 2 jar 4. So 1 by 4 is our answer. Now let us take one more example. Here we have to simplify these. Okay. Here is given 1 by 2 of 24 and here 2 by 5 of 105 kilogram. Okay. So let us see how can we simplify these beta. Here is given 1 by 2 of 24 means we have to find that half part of 24. Half of 24. Okay. 24 का half हमें find करना है. So how can we solve it? We will write 1 by 2 as it is. Then we will put here sign of multiplication at the place of and here we will write 24. Okay. So to find out half of 24 we will write 1 by 2 multiply 24. Okay. Now beta here 2 is given and here 24. So and 24 is numerator and 2 is denominator. Both are having same common factor, है ना? Both are having 2 as common factor. 2 1 jar 2 and 2 1 jar 2, 2 2 jar 4. So here 1 and 12 as numerator and here only 1. So 12 1 jar 12 and here 1. So 12 will be our answer. Okay. Now let us see this. Here we have to find 2 by 5 of 105 kilogram. Okay. So 2/5 of what is the answer means what will be 2/5 of 105 kilograms. 105 kilograms का 2/5 part क्या होगा बेटा, ये हमें फाइंड करना है. ओके. सो हियर ऑल्सो वी विल राइट 2 by 5 then sign of multiplication then 105. Now first let us see that there is any common factor of numerator and denominator. Yes, here both are having same common factor and that is 5. Okay. So here we will write 1 because after dividing with 5 we will get 1 and here 5 2 jar 10 and 5 1 jar 5. So 21 and multiply 2 will give us 42. And here as a denominator we are having only 1, and when we divide any number with 1 then we get the same number. So here 42 is our answer, means 2/5 of 105 kilograms will be 42 kilograms. Okay, so like this we have to solve these questions. Now students, let us take one more example. Here we have to find that which one is greater from these, 2 by 9 of 3 by 4 or 3 by 7 of 7 by 8. Okay, means this or this. So first we have to solve this and this separately, and then we have to compare. Okay, so here beta 2 by 9 of 3 by 4 is given. So first we have to solve it. 2 by 9 of 3 by 4. Okay, so here 2 by 9, and here we will put the sign of multiplication, and here 3 by 4. So here 2 as numerator, and here 4 as denominator, and here 9. So can we cancel 2 and 4? Yes, because both are having same common factor. 2 1s are 2 and 2 2s are 4. Now also yes, this 3 and this 9 also. Okay, because both are having same common factor. 3 1s are 3 and 3 3s are 9. So here we get 1 1s are 1 and 3 2s are 6. Means our first fraction is 1 by 6. Okay, now let us see this also. Here 3 by 7 and 7 by 8. 3 by 7 of 7 by 8. So let us simplify this also. Here we will put the sign of multiplication, and here 7 by 8. Now this also beta we can cancel. Okay, 7 and 7 both are having same common factor. Both are having 7 as common factor. So 7 1s are 7, 7 1s are 7. So here we will get 3 1s are 3 and 1 8s are 8. So now we are having these two fractions. After simplify we get here 1 by 6 and here 3 by 8. So first fraction is 1 by 6 and second fraction is 3 by 8. Now we have to compare this and this, that which one is greater. Okay, so here let us write 1 by 6 here and 3 by 8. Now we have to compare these beta, and you know very well that how can we compare. Okay, we have already discussed about this topic. So here beta both are having different denominators. So we can use two method. एक तो क्या बताया था मैंने, एक तो हम क्या फाइंड कर सकते हैं, फर्स्ट वी हैव टू फाइंड द एलसीएम एंड देन वी हैव टू कंपेयर, एंड सेकंड मेथड इज क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन मेथड. सो हियर वी कैन यूज एनी मेथड. सो नाउ लेट अस use first cross multiplication method. Okay, so here 1 by 6, 3 by 8. So by cross multiplication we will multiply this one with 8 and this 3 with 6. Means numerator of first fraction with the denominator of second fraction, and multiply with the numerator of second fraction with the denominator of first fraction. So here 1 8s are 8 and 3 6s are 18. Okay, and you can write here 1 by 6 and here 3 by 8. Okay, so we have to multiply this 1 with 8 and this 3 with 6. So 1 multiply 8 will give us 8 and this 3 multiply 6 will give us 18. So here beta 8 is smaller than 18. So this fraction is smaller than this fraction. Okay, so 1 by 6 is less than 3 by 8. So we can say that 2 by 9 of 3 by 4 is smaller than 3 by 7 of 7 by 8. Now let us see second method also. Okay. And according to second method, we need to find out the LCM, and then we have to solve. Okay. So here first we need to find out the LCM of 6 and 8. So here 2 3 jar 6, 2 4 jar 8. Now again with 2, 3 as it is, and 2 2 jar 4. Again with the 2. We have to divide only with the prime numbers. 3 as it is, and 2 1 jar 2. Now 3 1 jar, and here 1 as it is. So now we have to multiply these. We have to find the product of these. So 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 3. So 2 2 jar 4, 4 2 jar 8, 8 3 jar 24. So 24 is LCM. Now here write LCM, that is 24, and now we have to divide this 24 with denominator. Okay, means डिनोमिनेटर से क्या करना है हमें डिवाइड, एंड देन द रिजल्ट वी हैव टू मल्टीप्लाई विद न्यूमरेटर. ओके, सो हियर वी हैव टू डिवाइड दिस 24 विद 6, सो वी गेट 4 आफ्टर डिवाइडिंग, एंड देन वी हैव टू मल्टीप्लाई दिस 4 विद द न्यूमरेटर. सो 4 1 jar 4. नाउ पुट comma here. Now we have to solve this second fraction. So now we have to divide this 24 with 8. So here 8 3 jar 24. We get 3. Now we have to multiply this 3 with the numerator of this fraction. So 3 3 jar 9. So here we will write 9. So now beta, you can see that 4 is smaller than 9. It means 4 we have obtained from 1 by 6. So here we will write 1 by 6, and this 9 we have obtained from 3 by 8. So here we will write 3 by 8. So we can say that 1 by 6 is smaller than 3 by 8. And what is the result? 1 by 6 we have obtained from this. Okay, and 3 by 8 we have obtained from this. So we can say that 2 by 9 of 3 by 4 is smaller than this, or according to question, which is greater? So which one is greater? 3 by 7 of 7 by 8 is greater. Okay, so like this we have to solve this question.